If you're new to Scale Agile and you want to learn about all the safe roles in one place really quickly, you have come to the right video, because that's exactly what we're covering in this second video in the Safe 6 for Beginners series. So smash that subscribe button so that you keep up to date with the latest videos as I publish them and you don't miss any of the videos in the series. Hey friends, I'm Ahmed, a Scaled Agile trainer and coach based in the UK. In this video, we are going to be covering, as I said, an overview of Safe 6.0 roles. If you do need an overview of Safe, then please get your grounding here in the first video of the series. But if you already know the basics, then let's get started. There are 13 safe roles defined in total. Now, do not worry if you do not see your role over there. It does not mean you're getting fired. I remember in the beginning when Safe came out, many people, when they wouldn't see their role on the Scale Agile framework, they'd get really worried that, oh my God, there's no space for me. It's nothing like that. But what Scaled Agile does do is it calls out the most important roles that they feel they need to define. So those are the ones that we're going to be focusing on in this video. So if you look on the screen, what you will see is at the team level, we have a product owner, we have the Scrum Master, and we have the Agile team. At the Agile Release Train level, we have the product manager, the system architect, the release train engineer, and the business owner. At the solution tier, we will see that you have the solution train engineer, the solution management, and the solution architect. And at the portfolio tier, you've got the epic owner and the enterprise architect. And over here at the bottom, that covers all of the different levels, is the Safe Program Consultant. Okay, so let's get stuck in one by one on each of these. So let's kick off with our product owner. Now, this is the individual that is defining the what. Where are we going? What is the vision? What is the roadmap? What is the backlog? What is the order in which we should be attacking things? So that is effectively your person that defines your what for the team. Then the team is responsible for defining how they're going to achieve that outcome, how they're going to deliver on that ask. And the Scrum Master / team coach, they're the ones that help to coach and guide, facilitate, and bring all of the team together and understand what the product owner wants and support the team so that it all works together and the product owner is delivering what the customer actually wants and needs. Okay, so that's at a basic nutshell what we have at the team level. Okay, let's shift up to the Agile Release Train level, the next tier above that. And what we see over there is we have a similar role called the product management function, which may have one or more product managers. And again, they define the what of the Agile Release Train. Now, the Agile Release Train is a collection of 5 to 12 Agile teams, or consisting of 50 to 125 individuals. So they're defining the vision, the outcome, the backlog, the order in which they're going to be doing things. These are all of the things that the product management function will be providing the Agile Release Train. So that real compass, a real guide in terms of where they're supposed to be going. Now, the system architect will be responsible for defining how are we going to get there. What does the underlying infrastructure look like? What does the architecture look like? What systems are we going to be using? What's the roadmap for those different systems? How are they going to stitch together? Give some real guidance in terms of the technology selections and the technology choices and why they have selected those choices as well. Okay. The release train engineer, similar to the Scrum Master, again, the coach, the facilitator, making sure that the Agile Release Train is able to deliver what the product manager has requested. And finally, the business owner is responsible for making sure that, look, we've invested all of this money to put together all of these functionality, sometimes written as features. We're making sure that we are getting a good return on investment in the money that we have spent to build all of these things. Okay, so now let's step up to the next level higher at the solution level. So over here, you may now have a scenario where you have a really large solution. Over here, we need multiple agile release trains. So we need, again, somebody who can align and coordinate that. And again, we have the solution management function over here. Again, pointing the direction of the solution. What is it we need? Where is it we're going? And then you have the solution train engineer that's going to be coaching and facilitating the how we get to that direction as well. Again, similar to the way in which we have a system architect at the agile release train level, we have a solution architect. And guess what? Yes, you guessed it. They are putting together the architecture for the solution train. Okay. Now, one step further up, the portfolio. Over here, we have the enterprise architect. Now, this role is the role that has the big vision of where we are going as an enterprise or as a portfolio. And they have to have that big thinking so that they are thinking at a strategic level, but also they're balancing that with the tactical and immediate needs of the enterprise as well. The epic owner is that individual that is getting the large initiatives that we have, sometimes referred to as epics, and making sure that they are written well, they have a lean business case with them, they have associated funding there. We've done some sort of analysis and understanding of actually what is required, including a feasibility study. And then if that is the case, they help that to shepherd that through what's called the portfolio Kanban, where we have that going from stage to stage up until final delivery. Okay. So those are the 12 roles. To round this off, I want to talk about the SPC, the Safe Program Consultant. Now, this is the change agent for the Agile Release Train, Solution Train, organization or enterprise that helps to bring all of this change together. He or she is coaching, guiding, facilitating, encouraging the change that's required across the whole organization or whatever the scope is that has been defined for that SPC. So it doesn't sit within a specific area, but may go wherever he or she is required. So there you have it, all 13 roles in SAFe 6.0 laid out in a very quick video. I hope you found that useful. Please do consider subscribing so that you can get the next video in this SAFe for Beginners series. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and God bless.